Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max overheating issue. If your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max is expressing overheating issues, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. So guys, keep in mind that the specific steps may vary based on the iOS version and the models, so adapt them accordingly. First of all, you have to do is check ambient temperature. iPhones are designed to operate within a certain temperature range. If the ambient temperature is too high, your iPhone might naturally become warmer. Try moving to a cooler environment. After this, then you have to do is remove your iPhone 15 case. If you're using a case, it might be trapping heat. Remove the case and see if the temperature decreases or not. After this, then you have to do is close your background apps. Close unnecessary apps or all apps running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the app like if you have unable using and if any app is consuming your background process, simply try closing them. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include optimization and bug fixes that can address performance issues. So you have to go to your settings, tap on your general, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is disable your background app refresh. To do this, you have to go to your general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on background app refresh, and if you have enabled it, then you have to do is simply disable it. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is reduce your screen brightness, lower the screen brightness, or simply enable the auto brightness to reduce the power consumption. To enable the auto brightness, you have to go back and then tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and you can see your option auto brightness. Simply enable it. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable your location services. Location services can contribute to overheating. If disable your location services by going back and go to privacy and security, tap on location services, and if you have enabled this, then you have to disable it. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the overheating issue on your iPhone 15, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings to the default. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.